I guess the internet's going to crash now that the market's going down. It's down another 950 points. It's getting pretty serious. It's pretty serious now, but it's getting more serious as the days go on. See what they're talking about.
Terrible 1 year, and then, things got much better economically. You got to look far forward. If you got some cash now, yeah, time to put it to work. Don't get nervous if it comes down another 5 or 10%. Well, that 10% from now would be the bear market. It would take care of that recession. But you're going to get a bounce back in 2021. That I think is going to really make a lot of investors glad that they didn't panic and sell out.
Everybody already panicked because they already sold off. They're still selling off.
Thank you.
Well, another big story, of course, that we've been following is bond yields. We talked a bit about that with the professor. Their lowest level in years this week. We're talking about the 10 and the 30-year. Both
look at the SPY. See how far it
record
dropped.
Lows. Let's take a look at that 10-year. 1.16. Hard to imagine. Joining us now to discuss, Charles Schwab's chief fixed income strategist.
293 down to 285.
It may make perfect sense, 1.168 to lend your money to the U.S. government for 10 years. But what does it say, and is it sustainable?
So what it says is that there's a flight to safety, obviously, and people were mispricing risk. I think there was a lot of complacency in the market. We had very tight credit spreads, very low yields on high yield bonds, very high valuations on stocks, and people were caught when this happened, and they've been.
The whole point, they're going on and on and on about it going down and down and down. Everybody's going to safety. That's a given. But even the gold stocks, as it came up, now it's coming back down. Everything goes up, everything goes down. Nothing goes down forever, nothing goes up forever. And they're just going on and on and on about the same thing. They're scared. They're trying to give people hope. Yeah, it's going to come back up. It will. But what eventually coming back up doesn't do the fund managers any good. Like I said yesterday in a previous video, everybody gets paid to do this. There's trillions of dollars in investments and retirement accounts. All these people are worried about their money. If you retired yesterday, or you were planning on to retiring today, yes, this would be bad for you. If you plan on retiring 5, 10 years from now, 20 years, this ain't going to be nothing. There's always a crisis looming. As soon as one recession's over, we're headed towards the next one. It's cyclical. It's all up and down. There's no way to get away from it. No reason to be scared of it. Like I do on a daily basis, you find the opportunities. Yep, TNXP, it was up 25%. Now it's down 25%. Everybody's taking profits from their previous trades. And this Ocean Biochem, it was down 27%. Now it's coming back up. Everybody took their profits, so now they're getting back into it. Up, down, up, down. Let's look at the speculative ones. See what marijuana's doing this morning. Change that from 100,000 shares, make it 1,000,000 shares. Search that. Some perking up. They're all down. All the marijuana stocks are down. Which surprises me because they would be put in the same basket as the sin stocks. Alcohol, cigarettes, tobacco, vape products. I got all my sins. It don't matter how bad things are get, everybody's always going to buy alcohol. If you're a drinker, you're going to drink. If you smoke, you're going to smoke. If you're a gambler, you're going to gamble. Those are all the sin stocks. I would put the marijuana industry in that same basket. Because it has a lot of medical purposes. It has a lot of recreational value. So I'm really surprised all these stocks are plummeting like that. And I did own a lot of them. Well, actually on this one, on this scan, I owned them all. But I sold them a while back. The bottom just kept going and going and going. And I think that's what everybody's worried about in this current market cycle. The low can always get lower. And it's 9:19. I'm going to have to end this stream for about another 15 minutes. And I'll get back with you. I got a conference call coming up. I got to talk to some people. That'll take 15-20 minutes, if not more. And then I will see you back here. Yeah, but keep an eye. Yep, the gold's starting to pick back up. Ego. It's got increased volume. Or momentum, I'm sorry. Sorry, getting sidetracked. I am going to have to get off here, make some phone calls, and I will get back with you.